Kiri kiutamnati Kijache Yo Kutamnati Yo Kijache Kutamnati Kijalintwi Yo Kutamnati Kijalintwi. Join me on Sunday as we eat the word of God. The joy of the Lord is our strength. Lentula mudimo kebo pilo. Yafumane akerekeng mani 2097 Gomete Street Administration Block Katlehong ka 9 o'clock Hussein Kiri kiutamnati Kijache Yo Kutamnati Yo Kijache Kutamnati Tina samba nengadlangada samba nonkulunkulu samba nensimbi ezinye spetuches Aibo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Pastor Mporo trends again after recreating lequlu lakhe kutlwa mnati ketlwa jam. So after seeing ukuthi abantu abaningi bayithanda kakhulu leya ngoma yakhe nalamajayivu wakhe lawa washaya angalesikana introduce that song uvela decide ukuthi yadithini lena seyingoma yami ningamangali uma Pastor Mporo nga-release le ngoma ketlwa mnati, and I know ukuthi abantu abaningi bangayithanda and bangayithenga njengoba kungimanje nje vele bantu bayahleka le kwenta abantu abaningi batibude ukuthi ngabe yathatha kahle lo mfundisi, ngabe nabo labantu labamlandzelako bayathatha kahle na etingcondweni yabona Pastor Mporo ongilaba ufundisi bokuthi mawufika esontweni you just don't get bored uvela uhleke nje entertainer yamfundisi ngelena. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.